I hope you all are well and fine. Stay home, stay safe. Children, today I would like to explain you standard third subject EVS. Lesson number 6, getting to know the place we live in. Place we live in, which places you are living now. Means this states, now it is Thane, Haluka, which places. So we have to learn the place. Now Maharashtra, Mumbai like that. Okay, see here, find the name of the town in the word puzzles given below. Here they are given a puzzles. You have to search the towns and you have to make the circle. How does a town form? Now, in every old time, before man began farming, he lived in a nomadic life. He was dependent on hunting animals and gathering fruits, roots and birds for food. Later man learned to grow crops. He began to settle where he found suitable land and water. People began to build houses in such places and settle there. They began to help each other in farming. Their houses were close by. Thus settlements we formed. The settlements began to grow bigger. Many settlements managed to gather from villages. People felt a suffer living in such settlements. Now you know children, farm means before that time nothing is there. Not like this, not houses, electricity, no fans and no vehicles. Nothing is around that time. So that time it is a fully of plain and jungle side. That time the man what they have to do, they are now eat have the food also, they are not making fire. That time is nothing is there. So they have to do that time, they have to kill the animals and they are eating like that only, and they have to cut the fruits, so they are eating that. So they plan slowly they are developing themselves. Okay, the settlements of bigger. Okay, now people suffer for living such a settlements. A farming development, people had a different kinds of work. For one person, then they think first they had to make a fire, again they have to make the cook, and they have to grow seeds, they have to make a plants, the food and everything. Okay, so farming development people are kinds of work. One person could not do all of them. So work has divided between the people. For example, making wooden elements, repairing them, weighing clothes, making jewelry and making clay pots. Thus the artisan engage the different occupations which are different elements needed of farming. Collection information about the is a modern farming elements visit in an agriculture exhibition. That time they are slowly making all the things. Like see here, they making a farmer, they doing like that. These all things we have to see in textbook. So again they have a means now one man cannot do anything all these works now. So they have to give a different. One man is farming, one man is doing watering, and one man is making a house like that, and one man wooden that cuttings and repairing something jewel. So now you know when you are going on shops, there is no one man do only one on one work now. That different jewelry shop is there, monsoon shop is there, and clothes shops is there, wooden shops are there. So they are making a different things they have to sell. So that is a work to different places also. Okay. So now we have to learn the places. Which historical building, movement, object, etc. we have to see a area. A village, town, a city has building such as temple, caves, mosques, churches, monuments, forts, museums, etc. A place become known as this building. They tell us about the richness the places. They help us to understand our history. This building are our treasure. They must be protect themselves of our responsibility. So the time is built. Now see mosques, temples, that time this is not all things are there. So slowly it make the places and that mosque, temples and buildings. This all church. This all make on that. Now we have to see the places. Now a place may also become famous because of religion places. Fair of a fort. For example, Raigad district is known as the Raigad Fort. Raigad district is famous of fort. The previous they had to make like this fort, so we can see now also it will be there that fort also. Okay, so now see if you now Raigad is famous in what is that fort. Now in Mumbai is Gateway of India. So in and we can't see that places that things only. We can see that what in Nagpur we have the famous of oranges. In Pune, Ganpati Pune, every year that Ganpati will come, that is the famous is there. In Agra, Taj Mahal. So like that is the famous of that places. Why it being the famous? Sultan Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj fought near a Taranggaon in Nasik district. He had a set of his army camp in Tawde, giving a place of name Telangana. Damangaon Patta of Ahmednagar district was a name because of formerly there was a abused dam district there. There is a village called Asti Dattar Dotiji is a Tutar Taluka Jana district. Find a Dotas these of excellent qualities are made they Dotis. They gave a villages names. That see here Jana district and these are famous in that Doti. They are making a nice Doti, so that will be famous is they. Now Shivram Hari Rajguru was an important dignitary in India struggle for freedom. He was one of the famous revolutionaries Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukadev. Rajguru was born in a cave in Pune district. After elementary education, he moved to Amravati. They has a human Vashushala. He took a course of pathologism. At 15 years of age, he went to a Bangladesh to study Sanskrit. He knew several languages as Marathi, Sanskrit, Hindi, Urdu and English. Bhagat Singh and Sukhdev were close friends. Later he took a part of humanity activities and he became a mantra of our country. In his memories, his birthplace has been remained Raju Gurunagar. So his birthplace is Raju Gurunagar, and he's learned to lots of languages like Marathi, Hindi, Sanskrit, Urdu and English. So in 15 years age he is Bangladesh was studying Sanskrit. Okay. World Heritage Day, 18th April in World Heritage Day, one this day, pay a visit to a fort of national movements. Learn about its important, correct emotions about the rules of protecting words of heritage cities. Opening pictures of historical buildings, movements and old borders of your surrounding sticks them in famous. Just has a place become a renown because the fort of historical buildings. It also gained a renown become a place of the good deeds. Collect information about soldier, writers, artists and neighborhoods. Invite them in your school and interview them. Okay. Now historical place is when, now I told you historical places are something. Our national movements. Once see here when you are going on a film, you are seeing some statues like that. So that is a historic heritages, cities, some different cities, surroundings. These all are famous places are there. So you have to think. Now Santgarh Maharaj real name was Debuji Zingarji and Jonokar. He belongs to Sendagaon. His Danapur Taluka was Amravati district. Sant Gada Baba realized social awareness through a kirtan. He is doing a kirtan, so he is an awareness of the social awareness. During the kirtan, he would ask to people question and answer them himself. Why are you people poor? Because they do not have education. Why are people poor? Because they do not have a education. That's why the people are poor. He applied to the people to get educate. He applied in upper side means people had to be educate. He is known as one of the great sons of 20th century. His village will forever remember in his work and service of people. Okay, I hope means that is the village means see he is the one son why these people not educate. So he told the people you have to be educated that time you will be not now we are educated so we have to do some work that time only we have to get some money. So people why are poor you have to be educated. Visit a weekly market and meet a shopkeeper there. Interview him there. Help to the following questions. How many years have you been these occupations? Occupations means jobs. Jobs means now see different jobs are there. Now I am doing a teacher job, doctor, lecturer and pilot and what railways something different in office something different are jobs are there. That is the occupations. Okay. Which items do you sell in your shop when you are going some shop? So that time they have to sell one shop is monsoon shop is eating of food like rice, flour, biscuits and all these monsoon shops are selling. And clothes, jewelry shop is different, wooden shop is different. Like that all shops are different. Where do you get these items from? Where do you get now? These all items, food items with farmers. In villages they are making the farmers, they are doing some hard work. That time only we are getting the food. So what means a transport used to carry the goods? Transports means the vehicles means another they have to bring other village to in our city. So that is the transport like planes, like a train, lorries, that bullock carts. This all are bringing to us to bring the transports of carrying the goods. People in village are depend on weekly market for their daily needs. This market sell all essential items, mainly food, grains, vegetables, farming, elements, clothes, etc. Become available here. The market is also the place where people can meet one another, inquiring about each other the well-being. Okay, when you are going some market, we have to see something is different. So we have to learn. Okay, you are going some market, there is one vegetables market is there, one monsoons is there, one jewelry shop is there, one clothes shop is there, one some shoe shop is there. Like that you have to learn something. When you are going outside, food, daily vegetables, farming, elements, clothes, these all are you getting in a market. So you have to learn also there. Now, see, people belong to various caste of communities attend the fair of flow, guides and masses in Maharashtra with events. Many things related to people living such a different types of market are also a part of this fair. Jejuri in Pune district was Mehndi in Ahmednagar district was a pilgrimage. They are also well known. They are donkey markets and many other places of pilgrimage. Nanda district has market is held for donkeys and horses. Please come to know the reasons of the such as this. See now in Jejuri in Pune, that places they are selling in a donkeys, horses. So that is the famous of they. This Jejuri is they are getting like donkeys and horses. It will be get from there in Maharashtra, the districts. So We have in some places we are getting something. Means that places that king is famous for that, like that. So this is like a different places. So the famous things. Okay, children, I hope you understand. Now see here, not a very no more. Not a very means see here. Now I told you in starting that old days that time. No, nothing is there. They have to make a fire. Or they have to make just slowly they have to develop it from there. Development means that only. We have to development with us only. Okay, buds means growing seeds and we have to make a food grains. Occupations means like a jobs that jobs we have to give. Take engage means busy. Engage means busy. So getting to know the places we can live in, we have to learn different places. Now we are our district is Thane, like that you have to Maharashtra is our state, like that you have to learn. This is the places of states. Okay, I hope you all understand. Thank you.